Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can sign into Play Store and download apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here locate Play Store and open it. Next, before you can use Play Store, you need to sign in. So we're going to tap on the sign in button. Once you sign in, you can download apps, play games, watch movies, listen to music, and more. So tap on the sign in button to begin. And here you need to use one of your Google accounts, or you can create a new one if you don't have one. So there is a create account button down here. So here I'm going to put in my test account. And then tap on next. Now put in the password, and then you need to perform a two-step verification. So verify your account. I'm trying to use the key to verify at the back here. Okay, so once your account has been verified, you then get to sign in. So I'm going to tap on next, and then tap on yes, I'm in. And then we're going to tap on don't turn back up for now. So don't turn back up, and agreed. So there will be a few screens that we need to go through before we can actually sign in. Okay, once you sign in, you should be able to see your picture or profile icon at the top here. And from here you'll be able to search for apps. So down here you got games category, just standard apps. You got books. You can use the search functions, and you can go up here in the search text box, and you can look for apps. So here we can type in Facebook, and then tap on download Facebook, or if there is Facebook already on your device, you can update. So tap on the update button. Scrolling down will allow you to view similar apps or free apps. So here is a you might like this app also because they are kind of closely related. So here we can install Messenger, so we can install Messenger apps. Instagram app, so we can install Instagram as well if you use Instagram. And that's it. So that is how you can sign into your Play Store and download apps. Once the apps has been downloaded, it should be available in your app screen. Now the download may take some time, so give it a few moments for the Play Store to download your selected apps. At the top here you can see it's trying to download the apps that you have selected. So here we've got Instagram, have 5 seconds left to go, and then now it is installing. So if we go into the app screen, you can see we have Messenger already installed. We've got Instagram. Tapping on Instagram will allow you to sign in to your account. So put in the username and then password to log into your Instagram. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.